months, 2 weeks, and 4 days, just shy of 15 weeks, was how long it took us to get the trailer back. When we got the call, we hit the road the same day.
An afternoon at the beach with some lunch and some tacos. Cannot complain. And then we were off to get the rig. Picking up the rig, there were so many different emotions in the air. We were excited. We were still upset. We were ready for a new adventure. And at the same time, super apprehensive. So this is where it all started. When we picked up our rig, we'd just gotten our truck, and we thought everything was fine. And then this is where it started to deteriorate rapidly. The flooring was obviously falling out of the largest slide. It was warped and damaged on the bottom, and we were lucky to even get it into a shop. The rig sat for nearly a month before we got any word from warranty, insurance, or anything else on what they would and wouldn't cover. Parts were ordered, but then essentially canceled because they kept getting delayed further and further and further out.
Obviously, this was something that had been going on and not just from us camping in the rain. But with that being said, we didn't know about it until we were at this point here with the floor falling out. If you've never lived in a rig before, like us, and you smell a musty odor, get it checked out. You probably have a moisture issue.
And now this is what we got. It's amazing. That lip, it has a lip that goes all the way underneath to keep it completely sealed all the way around, which it did not have prior. So here we are now. It's now one solid piece all the way around. It no longer is just that little metal piece with the lip. And the sagging occurred because it was leaking from back there somewhere over the rim. And I'm not sure how it was leaking, but it was not something that we would have known to do or even mess with. It was something that they should have done in manufacturing that was missed. So FYI, keep your eye on that if you got an open range. But we didn't know that there was damage until there was so much damage it started falling out, and that seems to be the case in most of them.
As far as flooring replacement, that was the tricky part. The vinyl's no longer being made that matched our vinyl, and it was so damaged and rotted it wasn't able to be reused. So we replaced it with some carpet, and we were really lucky they were able to match the carpet that we had in the rig already.
Scott and I had our first night in the rig since we got it back. We stopped in Yuma. We found a really cute little park that we got to stay at for the night. We pulled in late so we couldn't look around. It's quiet. I don't think I've been anywhere this peaceful so far. Scott's packing everything up. And we're gonna head home to the kids.
Was it worth waiting almost 4 months? No, not at all. But we're grateful it's done. It was done properly, and we're going to be back on the road and traveling again. So that's exciting.